So my advice to founders and CEOs is to consider sales execution as a strategically important part of your business. Not just as an afterthought, but as a strategically important part of your business that you want to invest to make sure that you have the right process, you have the right set of people, and you have the right instruction book or playbook, if you will, for those folks to go execute and be successful. Because you want your salespeople to be productive 100% of the time. You don't want them to be trying to figure it out. You want them to know that when they show up, if they show up against this competitor or that competitor, they know what that playbook is that's going to guarantee that they have a high odds of winning. That's what you want to do.